Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your forgotten password on Peacock TV. So let's get started right away. First of all, just open up your web browser and in the address bar type in peacocktv.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official website for Peacock TV. Now from the home page, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page and click on the help button. Now this will open up the help page where you will find the password reset option at the very top section. Simply go ahead and click on it, and then you can scroll down and click on the sign in button. Now once you are in the sign in page, simply click on I don't know my password, and then you will be asked to enter the email address associated with your Peacock account. Go ahead and type in your email address and click on the continue button. And now you will be asked to check your inbox. So just check the inbox of the email address that you used to sign up for your Peacock TV account, and you will find an email from Peacock TV. Simply click on the link within the email and you will be allowed to reset your password. After typing in your desired new password, click on the continue button and your password will successfully be reset. Now after resetting your password, you can use your new password along with your email address to sign into your Peacock TV account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to reset your forgotten password on Peacock TV. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.